My frustrating battle with recurring skin issues led me through countless products and prescriptions with only temporary results. The cycle of improvement and relapse continued for years until I discovered an ancient remedy hiding in plain sight. Neem oil entered my life during research into traditional Ayurvedic medicine. Skeptical but desperate, I decided to give this natural extract a chance after learning about its centuries-long history in Indian healthcare practices. The transformation began within days of first application. Areas that had remained stubbornly inflamed for months showed visible improvement. Within weeks, conditions I had struggled with for years were noticeably diminished. Neem oil, extracted from the seeds of the Azadirachtin indica tree, contains over 140 bioactive compounds that work synergistically against harmful microorganisms. This remarkable complexity explains why bacteria and fungi rarely develop resistance to it. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology documented neem oil's effectiveness against over 14 strains of harmful bacteria, including Staphylococcus and E. coli. What's remarkable is how it accomplishes this without damaging beneficial bacteria. The Mayo Clinic acknowledges that certain plant compounds demonstrate antimicrobial properties comparable to conventional treatments. Neem contains azadirachtin, nimbin, and nimbidin, compounds scientifically verified to disrupt microbial cell membranes. Fungal concerns respond particularly well to neem applications. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Plants research found neem oil effectively inhibited 14 common fungal strains, including Candida species that often resist conventional treatments. What makes neem truly exceptional is its dual-action approach. It not only eliminates harmful microorganisms, but simultaneously reduces inflammation and supports tissue repair. This comprehensive approach addresses both symptoms and underlying causes. The National Institutes of Health has documented neem's immunomodulatory properties, meaning it helps balance immune response rather than simply suppressing or stimulating it. This balanced approach supports long-term resolution rather than temporary relief. Beyond antimicrobial benefits, neem oil contains exceptionally high levels of antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. These compounds, including quercetin and nimbolide, support overall tissue health and resilience. My personal experience began with diluted neem oil applications to affected areas twice daily. The distinctive garlic-like odor initially concerned me, but it dissipated quickly and became a small inconvenience compared to the benefits. Proper dilution proves essential when working with neem oil. Its potent nature requires respectful handling. I started with a 1:10 dilution in a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba and adjusted based on sensitivity and response. Application consistency matters significantly. Results typically begin appearing within 3 to 7 days, but complete resolution of long-standing issues may require 2 to 4 weeks of regular use. Patience and persistence yield the most impressive outcomes. Quality sourcing makes tremendous difference in results. Cold-pressed, organic neem oil contains the full spectrum of beneficial compounds. Avoid refined versions that may have reduced bioactive components through processing. For skin applications, start with small, inconspicuous test areas before broader use. Approximately 5% of people experience sensitivity to neem oil. This simple precaution prevents potential adverse reactions. What surprised me most was discovering neem oil's effectiveness against conditions that had previously required prescription interventions. The natural approach proved equally effective, without concerning side effects. Internal consumption requires careful guidance from healthcare practitioners experienced with botanical medicines. While traditional systems utilize internal neem preparations, concentration and purity must be carefully controlled. Those taking blood-thinning medications or with liver conditions should exercise particular caution with internal neem preparations. Always consult healthcare providers when combining botanical approaches with conventional treatments. Pregnant women should avoid neem oil due to its traditional use as a contraceptive in some cultures. While research remains limited, this precautionary approach reflects traditional wisdom regarding its powerful nature. For household applications, neem oil proves remarkably versatile. Diluted solutions effectively address surface mold, mildew, and bacterial accumulation without introducing harsh chemicals into living spaces. Gardeners particularly value neem oil for addressing plant fungal issues and insect infestations without harming beneficial pollinators. Its selective action targets harmful organisms while preserving ecosystem balance.